Does your heart stop when someone asks to borrow your phone? Stop worrying. Do this instead. Go to your settings and search for App Pinning or Pin Windows. Turn this feature on immediately. Now, open the app they need. Go to your Recent Apps view, tap the app icon at the top, and hit Pin. That's it. Now they are locked inside this specific app. They cannot open your photos, messages, or anything else. To exit, just press and hold the Back and Recent buttons together. It locks your phone so your data stays safe. Privacy saved. Share this with a friend who has trust issues and follow for more Android tips.